Hey guys, Trent Tate with Mercedes-Benz of Birmingham. Thank you so much for tuning in. I got a short video for you this evening. The holiday cheer is already here at Alabama's premier Mercedes-Benz dealership. With Black Friday around the corner, I thought it only right to go ahead and bring you a smoking hot deal on one of my last 2019 GLEs. This is an AMG 43. This was an executive demo and it is an outrageous price. I cannot wait to show you all about this hot little car. Come check this out.
And here you have the 2019 GLE 43. It has a Designo diamond white metallic exterior color, which is absolutely gorgeous. It uses active LED headlamps up front along with 21-inch AMG style twin 5-spoke alloys. It uses an AMG enhanced engine, which is 3-liter V6. It's a bi-turbo putting out 385 horsepower, uses a 9-speed automatic transmission, and it is tuned with a sport suspension based on our Airmatic platform. This vehicle also has the Premium 3 package, which is giving you all the driver assistance features. It has a parking pilot, which will actually park itself for you. It's also going to have the AMG carbon fiber black piano lacquer trim. It's absolutely gorgeous. Pano roof, tri-zone automatic climate control, super plush interior. Absolute dream. You're gonna love this vehicle. You gotta come see me this weekend while I have it available. I'm not gonna miss your business. We're discounting this vehicle over $15,000. You do not want to miss this opportunity.
There you go, guys. Thank you so much for sticking around, watching my video. It's an exciting product, and most importantly, this is an awesome place to buy a car. We're located right off the 459 exit for Grants Mill. We're Alabama's premier luxury retailer, and I can make you this guarantee 100%. When you make it out to Mercedes-Benz of Birmingham, expect excellence.